Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS Home School. Dear students, here I am Muhammad Farooq Hussain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. And now I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. And our today's topic is from English for Today book, Unit 4, Lesson 5. Let's try to solve it. Dear friends, you know that you have EFT book provided by the National Curriculum and Textbook and our school. And I hope you will go through the text of Unit 4, Lesson 5 at your book. And after that, you will have to solve this. Dear friends, task A was like this. Take the best answers to the following multiple choice questions. Okay. Now, number 1, the students are confused. The underlined words means they can think clearly, cannot understand, they are unable to speak. They answer would be cannot understand. Then when you buy a thing from a morality shop, you pay the money to the office, pay the money later, keep the money in the shop. That means in a morality shop, you have to keep the money in the shop where there is a place for keeping the money. Then number 3, a person with a clear conscience usually does the wrong thing, always gets confused, always does the right thing. A person with a clear conscience means a person who is very much careful. So answer would be always does the right thing. This was task A, and now task B. Work in pairs. Work in pair means you have to do the following task by 2 persons. Okay, it may be you and any of your friend. Okay, ask and answer the following questions. Number A, what are the advantages and disadvantages of a morality shop? That means by reading this question, what you understand? That means you have to make a conversation, a like dialogue between, it may be you and one of your friends, on the advantages and disadvantages of a morality shop. Okay, so it's answer myself. Imagine that I am asking one of my friends this question: what are the advantages of a morality shop? My friend Araf. You may write any of your friends' name. A morality shop is free from bargaining. That means the customers don't need to bargain about the price of the product, of any product. Actually, it is a place to test our morality. I think it will help one to have a clear conscience. Okay? Then myself. You are right. Then what are the disadvantages of it? Araf, in a morality shop, we have to put the money in the box kept there. That means we have to, if we take any products, then the price of the products should be kept in a box, and that box would be kept there before. Okay, so after that, but what will we do if we need change? This was asking of Araf. Sometimes the morality shop can provide the opportunity of stealing. That means sometimes the bad people steal products from the morality shop. These are the disadvantages. Here we get two disadvantages. One is how we get our changes, and sometimes the bad people steal products from this shop. That's now number B. Myself, I have written answer directly. What kind of shop will you prefer, a fixed price shop or a morality shop? That means which kind of shop I prefer. Mahmudul, one of my friends, although it's a pair work, so we have to do it by two people. Dear friend, I will prefer a fixed price shop. Myself, why? Mahmud, because a fixed price shop is also free from bargaining, and we can know about the things we like to buy from the shopkeeper, which is not possible in a morality shop. That means in a morality shop there is no shopkeeper, so you can't have any conversation with the shopkeeper. So this is why he liked fixed price shop. Dear friends, you have homework number 9 on exercise B. That means exercise B is here B, A and then B. Then exercise B is B number. That means this is your homework, and submission date is 10th April. Dear students, this is very much easiest class, and I hope you all have understood today's class. And this is the end of the class. Practice it more and more and stay home. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.